Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, Vuyokazi put up a video underneath her Instagram stories. And I guess this is basically replying to, the drama that we just saw last week is small waters in comparison to the drama we are about to see. Listen to this video and I'll be back with the rest of my commentary.
Guys, I just want to say as some istima ndishiya emnyango as soon as you disrespect me awusoze undiqheleka kuba qhubuniqele ngestima unqundu estima.
So as you can see, you guys, she actually captioned the video. The real show starts next week. If you listen to the words of the guy's basically saying that you won't disrespect me, and then basically when I react, tell me about my dignity. Like, screw that dignity, basically. And I'm thinking to myself, was it not her? Was it not Vuyokazi who came up with the whole thing? Yeah, yes, Dima. Wasn't she the one that was like, what about Istima Sam? What about my dignity? None of us. She's the one who came up with the dignity thing. And now at this point, she's basically saying that, you know what, that dignity thing, Istima, that I spoke about out the window, guys, because it looks like both girls are going to be laying hands on one another. I think for me, the fact that even Vuyokazi is putting up this, status or something like that, maybe that she isn't actually sorry with the way things are about to go down with them, even attempting with her and Tirelo, attempting to even want to lay hands on one another. And I'm like, that's deep, guys. That's deep. People normally come after these reality shows and they're like, guys, I'm sorry, that's out of my character. Vuyokazi is like, none of that, out of my character, Gupi. I'm gonna show this girl flames. And yeah, we'll see next week what's what, you guys. But yeah, Vuyokazi is just like, listen, I am here and I'm gonna make sure that I exit with a bang. And listen, we shall see. We shall see. Tell me what you think about this, you guys. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.